I used to take a lot of protein supplements, but later I realized that they are not good for health. Even protein shakes are really bad. 3 years to digest one scoop of protein shake, by the way. It stays in your body.
Major concern about protein shake is infertility. Bad quality protein shakes may be the cause of infertility in long run. The next problem with protein powder is kidney damage.
Can't believe 2025 में भी हम यही सब बातें कर रहे हैं. Sadly अभी भी बहुत fear mongering है वे प्रोटीन को लेकर. Hi, I'm Prachi Gupta, a certified nutrition fitness coach. In this video, I'm going to share every single thing about whey protein supplement. This is going to be a long video, but stay tuned till the end as it will answer all your questions and doubts around it. Also, this is my first video of nutritional supplement series wherein we'll cover each and every supplement so you always know what's best for you. Now, what is whey protein? आ जाओ किचन में मेरे साथ बताती हूँ.
ये है मिल्क. इसको बॉईल करके मैंने कर्डल कर लिया विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेमन जूस. नाउ दिस सॉलिड थिंग दैट यू सी हियर इज़ पनीर एंड इट हैज़ केसीन प्रोटीन इन इट. अब ये जो लिक्विड है इसमें होता है वे प्रोटीन. मैन्युफैक्चरर्स इस लिक्विड को फिल्टर करते हैं, ड्राई करते हैं एंड मेक वे प्रोटीन पाउडर आउट ऑफ इट.
तो अब आपको समझा ये होता क्या है. टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो ये मिल्क प्रोडक्ट ही है, but please understand this is also a supplement, and supplement is something which you take when you cannot meet its requirement through whole foods. Now this brings us to the next topic, who actually needs it. If you're on a fat loss journey and a calorie restricted diet follow कर रहे हो, then whey protein supplement can be helpful to complete your daily protein requirements under less calories. If you travel a lot, have busy lifestyle with no time for proper meals or have certain dietary restrictions, then you can definitely have whey protein supplement. See, it is just a convenience and not a necessity. Your first preference should always be to eat your protein through whole foods. Now, what are its advantages and disadvantages? पहले advantages बताती हूँ. Whey protein has all 9 essential amino acids, including BCAAs, which are branched chain amino acids, which are extremely important for repairing and muscle building. Since it's quickly absorbed by the body, it helps your muscles to recover faster after workouts. Protein also keeps you full for longer, which can support fat loss by reducing cravings. It's easy to carry and prepare, making it convenient for work, gym, or even while traveling. Now let's discuss the disadvantages. Whey protein can be expensive, which makes it hard for many people to use it consistently over a long time. There's also the risk of adulteration in the market. Some low quality products may contain harmful substances like heavy metals, which can be dangerous for health. In addition, some people may experience digestive issues such as bloating or discomfort, especially if they're sensitive to dairy or consume it in large amounts. I've written down some myths, so let's check them out. Whey protein is a steroid. A very common myth, people think it's like a drug, but it is just a source of protein, similar to paneer or eggs, just in the powdered form. It will make you bulky. Many people, especially women, avoid whey protein powder because they think it will make them look muscular overnight. In reality, it helps in muscle retention and fat loss. Whey protein is only for bodybuilders. Nope, not at all. Students, working professional, moms, athletes, or anyone who is struggling to meet their daily protein needs can have it because everyone needs protein for recovery, strength, and overall health. It damages kidney or liver. For healthy individuals, whey protein does not harm the kidneys or liver, and there is no research which suggests this. The issue only arises if someone already has a medical condition and takes very high protein diet without guidance. You don't need whey if you don't go to the gym. Nahi bhai, protein sabko chahiye even if you don't work out. It helps in immunity, recovery and maintaining strength. Whey protein leads to infertility or hormone problems. No evidence supports this. This can only be true if your protein powder is adulterated with steroids. See, आपको इसको लेना है या नहीं लेना है वो आपका personal choice है. But it's absolutely safe to consume. Now this brings us to the next question. What should I look for while buying one? Look for at least 20 to 25 grams of protein in a 30 to 35 gram scoop. Whey should be the first ingredient. Avoid too much sugar or artificial sweeteners or fillers. Buy from trusted sellers. Check the QR or scratch code on the pack. Prefer brands with third-party testing like Labdoor. Take unflavored whey if you have a sensitive gut and mix it with your smoothies, batters or other recipes. If you have any underlying kidney or liver or digestive issues, then consult your doctor before starting with it. How and when to consume it? If you're having whey protein for the very first time, start small. Just half scoop mixed with water, ideally in the morning, should do. This helps your body to get used to it. Once you're comfortable, you can enjoy it many ways. Mix with water or milk, blend it into your smoothies, add to pancakes or even knead it into the chapati dough. If you train in a fasted state, have your whey within 30 minutes to 2 hours after your workout to support recovery. Remember, the most important thing is hitting your overall daily protein goal. Spread your protein intake evenly across all the meals instead of loading it all at once. So that's it for this video. Please leave a comment if you think it was helpful. If you want to see more such videos, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Fit Life with Prachi. See you in the next video. Bye.